Hey everyone. Welcome back to Fix It Dubai, your go-to place for all things home decor and interior trends. Today's video is packed with inspiration as we showcase over 250 stunning luxury kitchen design ideas for 2025. Whether you're building a brand new kitchen or planning a glamorous renovation, this video is going to show you exactly what's trending in the world of kitchen interiors, from layout and materials to lighting and styling. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's dive into the future of kitchen design. Section 1, Overall Kitchen Design Trends. In 2025, luxury kitchens are all about seamless design, warmth, and functionality. Open plan concepts continue to dominate, but with more refined zones for cooking, dining, and entertaining. The modern kitchen is now more than just a workspace, it's a social hub, a design statement, and a reflection of personal style. Think hidden appliances, sleek integrated cabinets, and multifunctional islands with built-in storage and seating. We're also seeing more double kitchen islands in larger spaces, offering ultimate prep and hosting power. Arched openings, soft curves, and fluted details are adding elegance and softness across the board. Section 2, Materials and Surfaces. Let's talk about the materials making waves in 2025. Natural stone is having a major moment, especially marble and quartzite with dramatic veining. Book-matched slabs are being used for countertops, backsplashes, and even full walls for a luxurious, cohesive look. Textured wood cabinetry, particularly in walnut and oak, is also trending, bringing organic warmth and depth to modern kitchens. Porcelain countertops are rising fast for their sleek finish and high durability. And here's a bold trend, mixing materials like combining wood, stone, and matte metals in one space to create layers and contrast. Section 3, Color Trends. Color-wise, we're shifting away from stark whites and moving toward earth, nature-inspired palettes. Think moss green, terracotta, charcoal, creamy beige, and deep navy. These tones bring warmth and elegance without overwhelming the space. Monochromatic kitchens are big, especially when layered with different textures and finishes. For example, pairing matte black cabinets with a black stone backsplash and brushed black fixtures creates a bold, unified look. Two-tone kitchens are also trending, like dark lower cabinets paired with lighter uppers, or a vibrant island against a neutral backdrop. Pops of brass or gold in handles, faucets, or lighting can elevate any kitchen design instantly. Section 4, Layout and Storage Solutions. Functionality is still king. In 2025, storage solutions are smarter than ever. Hidden pantries, floor-to-ceiling cabinets, and custom drawer inserts are helping keep kitchens clutter-free and elegant. Appliance garages and retractable doors hide microwaves and coffee machines for a cleaner look. Corner storage systems, pull-out spice racks, and vertical drawers for baking trays are being designed into cabinetry from the start. Islands now often include under-counter fridges, wine coolers, dishwashers, or even second sinks to enhance workflow and efficiency. Section 5, Lighting and Fixtures. Lighting plays a huge role in luxury kitchen design. In 2025, layered lighting is key. Statement pendant lights over islands, under cabinet LED strips, and recessed ceiling lights work together to create ambience and function. We're also seeing a rise in sculptural lighting fixtures that double as art pieces. Think oversized globes, linear brass chandeliers, or even natural woven pendants in earthy kitchens. As for fixtures, matte black, brushed gold, and champagne bronze faucets are leading the trend, often matched with cabinet hardware for a cohesive feel. Section 6, Decor and Styling. When it comes to styling, The luxury kitchens of 2025 are clean, curated, and personal. Instead of cluttered countertops, we're seeing intentional decor pieces like ceramic vases, wooden trays, fresh herbs, or elegant cutting boards. Open shelving is making a subtle comeback, but now it's used for statement ceramics, cookbooks, or backlit art pieces rather than general storage. Plants, especially trailing or sculptural ones, bring life and freshness into modern kitchens. And don't forget about textiles. Natural linen or leather bar stools, soft woven rugs under the island, and even kitchen curtains in sheer or earthy tones are adding softness to hard surfaces. And there you have it, 250 plus luxury kitchen design ideas for 2025 that combine style, function, and innovation. Whether you're dreaming of a minimal modern space or a cozy, elegant kitchen, these trends will help you create a timeless yet on-trend look. Which idea inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our design updates.